Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to make a perfect French knot. It scares many, but there's a secret trick that makes it come out flawless. I'm using a thin number 8 hand needle and 3 strands of embroidery floss. I've already tied a knot at the back, so let's begin. For a perfect French knot, go from back to front, pulling tight to the knot. Wrap the thread around the needle 3 times, then insert it next to where it came out. Hold the needle upright without pressure. The secret to a perfect French knot is sliding these wraps down to the base. The neater your wraps at the needle's base, the more perfect your French knot. Then gently pull, always keeping your finger on the thread until it's secure.